Good evening, dear students. We are in GK class now. Today's topic for discussion is what our body needs. We play, run, jump, stand, eat using our body parts. We do so many actions using our body parts, isn't it? Our body parts should function properly. Then only we can do all the activities. To be healthy, we should eat fruits and vegetables. We should eat healthy food. What is this? Eyes. We see with our eyes. For an healthy eye, we should eat orange color food items like carrot, sweet potatoes, mango, orange, etc. These are good for our eyes. Next, teeth. We should intake food which contains more calcium. We can take milk, cheese, and dairy products so that our teeth will be healthy and strong. Look at the picture. What is this? Brain. And can you see the walnut? Yeah, it looks like brain, no? Yes, we should eat walnut. Not only walnuts, we should eat more nuts. It is good for our brain. It improves memory power. This is lungs. If you eat apple, lungs will be healthy. Heart helps us to pump blood. So we should keep our heart healthy, no? So we should eat leafy vegetables like spinach and broccoli or green vegetables. Okay? Not only green vegetables, we should also add fruit to our diet to have a healthy heart. And what is this? Turmeric. Turmeric has more health benefits. If you get cold, you can add a pinch of turmeric powder in your milk and you can drink that so that you will feel better. And if you fall down and get hurt, you can apply turmeric powder. It heals the wound. We should eat more fruits and vegetables to be healthy and strong. And we should avoid eating unhealthy food. Take page number 25 in GK book. Write today's date. What is the topic? What our body needs. Activity 1. Write the correct action words below the pictures. Here they have given 5 pictures and they have given help box also. Running, writing, reading, exercising, thinking. We have to write the correct action word below each picture. Look at the first picture. What is he doing? He is thinking. So, in the first dash, write thinking. T-H-I-N-K-I-N-G, thinking. Now, look at the second picture. What is he doing? He is reading. Write reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. And the next one, exercising. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-I-N-G, exercising. Now look at the fourth picture. What is he doing? He is running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. And now look at the last picture. He is writing. W-R-I-T-I-N-G, writing. Activity 2. Match the action and the body parts. Running, writing, reading, exercising and thinking. Here eyes, lungs, skeleton, brain and bones. Running. We use our legs to run, isn't it? We use our legs to run. Here there is no leg picture. So what happens if we run? If we run daily for few minutes, what happens? Our lungs will be healthy. Okay, our lungs will be healthy. So I'm drawing a line from here to here. And the next one, what is he doing? He is writing, isn't it? He is writing. We use our hands to write. We use our hands for many purposes, like for drawing, for painting, for holding things, for picking things, isn't it? For throwing, catching. We use our hands for so many things. And there is no hand picture also. Instead of that, they have given a picture of skeleton. That's why I have circled the part alone. Okay, you can circle like this and match it from here to here. In the next one, reading. We use our eyes to read, isn't it? We use our eyes to look at the book and read. In the next one, exercising. Exercise improves our bone health. Okay, exercise improves our bone health. Our bones will be very strong and healthy if we exercise regularly. So I'm drawing a line from here to here. In the next one, he is thinking. What is he doing? He's thinking. So brain controls our thoughts, memories, isn't it? So I'm drawing a line from here to here. Do you know what our body needs to stay healthy? Do you know what our body needs to stay healthy? Here you can write body. Look at the first picture, eyes. What are the food items we should eat to keep our eyes healthy? We should eat carrot, fish, egg, guava, orange and sweet potato to keep our eyes healthy. In the next one, bones. Our bones should be healthy and strong, no? For that we should drink milk, eat almonds, peas, orange, guava, pineapple, spinach and papaya. And the next one, heart. What is the use of heart? Heart sends blood around our body. Okay, it pumps blood. So we should keep our heart healthy. For that we should eat leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables like spinach, and we can eat peas, tomato, guava, nuts and apple to keep our heart healthy. In the next one, lungs. We should keep our lungs healthy because it helps us to breathe. Okay, lungs helps us to breathe. So we can take ginger, garlic, turmeric, apple and nuts to keep our lungs healthy. And brain helps us to think, no? So we should keep that healthy by eating fresh fruits and vegetables like beetroot, broccoli, nuts, coconut, egg, turmeric. Okay, we should eat all these food items to keep our body healthy and fit. Do you know what are harmful for our body? Do you know what are harmful for our body? What does mean by harmful? Harmful means bad. Do you know what are bad for our body? Maida, oil, sugar, artificial colors and preservatives. Okay, maida. Do you know what's maida? This is maida. And this is artificial color. What is this? Artificial color. We should not add these to our food items. It's very bad for our health. As well as oil also. We should not add oil and sugar. These two are bad for our health. Preservatives. What's mean by preservatives? Preservatives are harmful item that keeps the food fresh for many days. Okay? Preservative keeps the food fresh for many days. It's very bad for our health. For example, we are seeing many cool drinks, packed food items, chips, isn't it? So these are harmful for our body. Why? Because they are adding some chemicals. They are adding some chemicals into that food items. So that's why the food items is not getting bad. It is not getting bad. It is fresh for many days. For example, if your mummy is preparing a juice for you, okay, can you keep the juice for many days? No, we cannot keep the juice for many days. Why? Because it will get bad. But in shops and all, the packed juice items will be in shop for many days. It is not getting bad. Why? Because they are adding some chemicals. That's why it is fresh. It is fresh for many days. The food items which are fresh for many days are harmful for our body. Okay? You should keep that in mind. And you should not eat unhealthy food. You should not eat packed food. Kids understand what the following eatables contain and tick the correct answer. Here they have given 4 eatables. We should tick the correct answer. Here they have given one box for healthy and another one box for unhealthy. So I told you now, maida, oil, sugar, artificial colors and preservatives are bad for our health. Keep that in mind and tick the correct answer. First one, parota. Do you like parota? Most of you all likes parota, isn't it? So we make parota using maida, oil and salt. We make parota using maida, oil and salt. Is this healthy? Healthy or unhealthy? It is very unhealthy because we are adding maida and oil. It's very unhealthy. So tick this box. Bread. Second one, bread. They make bread using maida, sugar and preservatives. They make bread using maida, sugar and preservatives. See, for bread they are adding preservatives. That's why it is fresh for many days. Is it healthy? No, it is unhealthy. Burger. For burger, they are adding maida, sugar and preservative. So for burger also they are adding preservative. That's why it's fresh for many days. It is healthy? No, it is unhealthy. Noodles. Noodles is also made out of maida. Is it healthy? No, it is also unhealthy. If you have ticked the unhealthy for all the four, you are a healthy kid. Give yourself a smiley. So you have to tick which is healthy and which is unhealthy. If you have ticked unhealthy for all the four, you can give yourself a smiley. You can draw a smiley. Okay? Eating maida food. So what happens if you eat food items that contains maida? If you eat food items that contains maida, it makes you obese. It means you will become very fat. You will become very fat. I mean, you will not be healthy. You will be unhealthy. The next one makes you dull. You look very dull. You will not be active. You look very dull. And makes your bone weak. Your bones will not be healthy. It will be weak. And gives you digestion problems. Gives you digestion problems. The food you eat will not get digested. Okay. Did you notice that most of the food items we eat contains maida, sugar and preservatives? So it means we are eating unhealthy food more. So avoid eating unhealthy food. We should eat only healthy food. Now let's see the exercise. We need healthy eyes to read or sing. We need healthy eyes to read. You can write read here. R-E-A-D, read. And the next one, dash is harmful for a body. Dash is harmful for a body. Maida or fruits. Which is harmful? Maida. Maida is harmful for a body. Harmful item that keeps the food fresh for many days. Preservatives or vegetables. Harmful item. What is that harmful item that keeps the food for many days? Preservatives. Yes, preservatives. Preservatives keeps the food fresh for many days. So it's very harmful for our body. Parota contains dash, oil and salt, maida or rice. It contains maida. M-A-I-D-A. Chips that we buy from shops contain artificial colors or water. Chips that we buy from shops contain artificial colors or water. Chips that we buy from shop contain artificial colors. Yes. So it's very unhealthy. As well as fruit juices also. We are getting more colorful juices in shops and all. No, it's very unhealthy because they are adding artificial colors. It is not real fruit juice. Okay. Noodles are made with maida or almonds. Noodles are made with maida. M-A-I-D-A, maida. Noodles are made with maida. You have to complete this exercise, okay? And that's all for today. You have to eat only healthy food. We should avoid eating unhealthy food. Bye. Take care. Stay healthy.